Við erum komin live, við erum bara ekki alveg fyrir maður. Já, mjög gott. Yo, what's up, chat? How we doing? We're so backarinos.
Yo.
Yo, dogs. Yo, dogarinos. Everybody doing
What?
good?
Oh my god, hold on.
What?
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 Wait. I'm getting double sound. It's okay now.
I see.
Can you start the word?
Yes, I did not. We did not win last day or today. Yeah, what's up, chat? Nice to see you. Appreciate you. We did not win.
We did not win yesterday.
No, we did not win yesterday. I tried googling some crazy seeds to help us. I found some seed, and we're gonna see how it goes. I have. Oh my god, Matti.
Are you done?
Very well.
Are you done making it hardcore? Make the world hardcore.
Yeah, make the world hardcore, chat. Cause you know how this goes, chat. You die in real life. You die in video game. No, wait, it's different. No, you die in video game. You die in real life. This is. What is this number? Like 6 or 7?
Yeah, something like that.
6/7 round. We're gonna try to win it in this one. I think we can't do this.
Let's go.
Happy Eurovision.
Let's go, bro.
What's up? Oh my god, 6/7. What's up? Yeah.
We have no time to spare. We only have like 2 hours maximum today.
We could beat this in 2 hours. I think that's possible. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up? Yo,
Okay,
Matti. Before we go. I know this shit is crazy because I'ma show you. If you look up there, see? What do we have? Village, chat. We got village. Oh my god. Maybe a tiny villager.
Pillager. pillager thing.
Yeah. And then if you look here to the left, we got another village.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. And then you look here,
And
then we have another village over there. And then one more
and
village
another
over
one
there. So
That's just
I think this is like.
not wait further.
Wait, where did you go?
Yeah,
Okay. Should I check another village while you check this one or something? Should we like split up or what's the plan here?
Time management. That's good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Very smart. Okay, I'm gonna check out these two that are next to each other.
Okay.
Check out the other two.
I can check.
Start further from the pillager thing. Let's end in the pillager thing. Maybe we have enough resources to kill him.
I see. Chat, this is like how you do it. Chat, how are you also feeling today on this beautiful 1st of May? I hope you're doing amazing. Album so cool, thank you, appreciate it. We need 100k before end of May! Chat, end of May is almost here, chat. We need 100k before end of May, chat. Come on, make your mom subscribe.
Guys, come on,
Let's
guys,
split up, gang. Come on.
Potatoes.
Wait, is 1st of May international holiday? Is it only in Iceland?
I think it's Labor Day, it's called.
Is it all in all world or only Iceland?
It says on my calendar at least. It says Labor Day.
Oh damn! Oh my God! Should I take the haste to make infinite food, right?
Yeah.
Because we need the food.
Take the bat also.
Okay, take bat, take haste. Okay, we need to be efficient, chat. Efficient if we're gonna beat Minecraft.
Okay, there is nothing of value in this.
And we're gonna stream every day until we beat Minecraft.
Yeah.
Because this needs to happen.
That's the thing. Yeah, we need to win. It's very boring if we don't.
That's the thing. And one bet. Thank you. We also need so many bets later on. But we'll come back here when we beat Ender Dragon. We need bets.
Yeah.
Do you have chest, sir? Hello, sir. Do you have chest? No, you don't have chest. Alright, thank you very much. Then I don't need you. Hello, nobody home. Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop.
Chest. Nice.
Okay.
Wait.
Hello, sir. Do you have anything to sell? No. Alright. Flip flop. Do you have chest for me? No. Bro, this village stinks. Come on.
Yeah, mine stinks too.
There is not a single chest I find. I need to find a good chest. Is a chest inside here? Hello? Do you have chest? You have barrel with nothing inside it! Come on, who keeps nothing, chat? What the flip is this? Hello, barrel. Nope. I think I've almost seen everything in this village and there's not a single chest here. I would think when I spawn in crazy town like this, I would have billion skrillion chest, but no, apparently not. I'll take this tree though. I hear kitty cats. Yeah, I think they're cats here, chat.
Okay.
Not gonna lie.
There's really nothing in these villages.
In both of them?
No, wait, I've only done one.
Yeah, you have to check the other one.
Where is the next one?
You never stop gambling. You're always one hand away from $1 million.
Hold on.
Yes.
Take the hay. The hay.
Yeah, the hay. Oh my God, found chest. Let's go.
One emerald. I got
Nothing burger chest, bro. Nothing burger chest. Come on.
Okay, this is really sucking, this seed.
Bro, you can't say the seed sucks when you literally have like 4 villages next to each other. That's like extremely
But when there's nothing in the villages, then it sucks, yes.
It does kinda suck, not gonna lie.
You could always just gather all these things.
You never stop gambling, chat. Never stop gambling. We go to another chest. No, go to another village. Oh, hello, sir. Hello. I will not kick you. Flip, flop, flip, flop, flippity, flop, flop, flip, flop. Up. I die. Almost. Oh,
bro, don't die now. Please don't.
I will not. Flip.
No matter what you do, don't die.
Flop, flop. I think there's another village here somewhere. I don't remember where. Oh, there. We're gonna check out the next one, boys. Boys, we check out the next one. Vibe, after náðu þið ekki að vinna Eurovision. Damn. I tried my best.
Are you gonna check out the... Hold on, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, sorry.
Listen to me.
Yes, I listen.
Stop. Yeah,
I listen, bro.
Are you gonna... Hold on. Stop it. Are you gonna go to the pillager thing?
Not yet.
A village next to the pillager thing.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna
I will
see
meet
how
you
it
there.
looks, you know. New
There's
music video and stream
nothing
on one day this peak. I know, chat. We're going crazy today. How did you like new music video? I think it's very cool.
Did they stop making blacksmith or something?
I don't know. No. I found blacksmith yesterday when we did stream.
Ah, no, I did not, I think.
You found blacksmith. Oh my god, check out this parkour skills, chat. Whoop, blip. Oh, a little bit of this, a little bit of whoop, a little bit of... Oh, okay, chat. Check this one. This is crazy parkour. Whoop, whoop. Only pro parkour games can do this.
Hold on. Remember, we're trying to speedrun.
Yeah, and I'm trying to climb up mountain to get to the village, bro. So I need to do
you're
parkour.
You're not efficient.
Bro, I'm literally the most efficient I've ever been in life, bro. Come on, don't do me like this.
You're not an efficient Minecraft player.
Bro, what the flippy. Chat, what do you think? I don't know. I'll take your hate.
Okay, we should stop. We have to stop fooling around and start gathering things and go mining.
I think it's value to check if there's anything in these villages, bro.
Yeah, we had done 3 and there was nothing in them.
But I am at the 4th one. Right now, and I'm checking.
I haven't even gotten wood, bro. I haven't even gotten wood.
I got a little bit of wood. I got actually so many wood. Oh my god, chest, come on, give me diamonds! Nothing burger. Apples! And bread. Why even bother, not gonna lie. Oh, that's... Bro, you lock in. I'm trying. Matt is being too serious. I agree.
No.
He's very serious.
We only have 2 hours. We have 2 hours to try to beat Minecraft, so we have to lock the vlog in, guys.
I mean, if we don't beat it today, we can always beat it tomorrow. There's always another day, but I think we will beat it today. I got a good feeling about this run. It's going well so far. Actually, it's not going that well. I haven't found anything.
No, it's going very badly.
Yeah, not gonna lie, it's not... I found something like this, books...
Okay,
chest, come on, give me something. Oh my god, these chests are tragic. I only got bread. What do you want me to do? Eat? Come on. Oh my god. They have cages, Matti. They have cages.
Very good.
Brick Matti and brick down. What does that mean, chat? I don't get it. Chat sometimes goes rogue, you know. I don't know what they might say. Alright, let's check. Nothing here. I found iron at least. But I don't have pickaxe.
Oh, you found iron. Nice.
Should I go into the pillager thing to see if I can get the chest? No, I will die tragically.
No, you will die. It's gonna be the most stupid idea, I think.
Yeah. Lock in for Derek Willingham. Oh my god. I'm at college right now watching in class. I appreciate it. Alright, Matti, should we just meet up and...
Yeah, we have to just start mining.
I think so,
At least we have food. Do you have...
At least we got food and bed.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he tried to kill my friend!
Wood.
Watch out, there are zombies everywhere. Yes, I have wood.
Do you have wood?
I have wood. Yes, I have wood. I have wood and food.
How much wood?
20 wood.
Yeah, I think we need more.
Yes, we need 3. I'll find 3. I'll kill 3. Lock the flock. I'm trying, chat! I swear to god! Chat, I swear to god I'm trying. Wait. Blip, blop, blip, blop, blip. Blip, blop. Vibe, are you excited about Eurovision 2026? Hell yeah. I think we're gonna be playing in some after party. Oh my god, that's you! Why did you kill me? Don't kill me. Come on, we're friends.
Bro, we're going in this direction.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going in the wrong direction.
Alright.
Where is mine?
Mine, I don't know. Sleep, maybe yes.
No. Mine, yes.
Mine, yes, sleep, no. Okay. I see. Muy bien.
Here's cave, here's cave.
Blip, flop, blip. Oh my god, found cave.
Ah, there's coal. Nice.
Found cave, Matti, found cave, I think.
Nice. Very good.
Is it cave?
Good job.
I don't know, actually. I don't think this cave.
Okay, yeah. It's nighttime.
Yeah, let's sleep. Let's sleep. We will die in the night if we're outside, Matti. You know this.
Yeah, I'm sleeping. I
Alright.
slept.
I sleep here.
Just put your bed down somewhere.
Yeah.
Don't try to make a
Don't
house.
jump in there. Okay. Thank you. I'm just trying to listen to chat. They know best. Good
Is it a fun
morning!
cave?
Oh, you're not here. Oh, I'll take this crafting table actually. That's very useful.
Did you find a cave?
I thought I found cave. I don't think it's good cave.
Okay.
I'll start
Oh, what?
up by putting my crafting table down. Where are you, Matti? Where are you? You're here.
I'm gathering materials.
Very smart. I will get I'll start with the pickaxe thing. Get this locked and loaded, you know what I'm saying?
I got pickaxes.
Oh, I already made pickaxe. Damn.
Okay.
Then we have just extra. That's okay. There's a lot of coal here. I'll take that.
Yeah, take all the coal.
Chat, do you think this will be the run? Or do you think we will die tragically again like we always do? Or at least me. Matt is pretty good.
I feel like only die once.
I feel like I am the guy who's ruining everything here.
Yeah, if I was doing this alone, I would have finished yesterday.
Bro, we had a crazy run yesterday, not gonna lie.
But then you just walked into lava.
And then I just walked into lava. You know, that's kind of the story of my life. I'm having a great day and then I walk into lava. You know what I'm saying? Double run. Yeah. Think positive. Think it.
Where is you? Where are you?
I'm here. I'm mining. I'm getting coal. There's lots of coal here.
Where?
You can see me on minimap. Just come over.
A minimap?
No, like, there's like things. Chat, coal is important. You know this. Let's make it happen. Don't die. This is run 6-7. That's so true. This is actually run number 6 or 7. I don't know which one. So that's perfect.
I see where you are. Nice. Beets. I'm gonna steal them.
Yeah, steal it, bro.
Beetroots. Oh, did you not steal the food in the village?
I think in one village I did.
Oh, just one. Because they have all the food.
Yeah, I see.
You're not in a cave, right?
No, I'm just in like some outside cave, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, then just come with me. Let's go find the normal cave.
Try to get Enderman early on and get Ender Pearls. Yeah, that's true. We kind of have, we have to lock in when we find Enderman and actually try to kill him, I think. Because
hey, hold on.
Yes.
Come with me.
Yeah. What's up? What's up, dog? What's up? It's me, Big Vibe.
Let's
from
go.
Vibe Gang.
Come.
Hello.
Come here.
Yes,
Come here.
I'm coming.
Are you following me?
There is more coal, but you wanted me to come, so I just bailed on the rest of the
how much coal do you have?
35.
Plenty enough.
Okay. You're this direction, right? Yes.
Oh, wow, pink sheep, guys.
No, wait, don't kill. Wait.
Pink sheep.
Yeah. Stay where you are. I need to see. That's like, chat, this is the most rare mob in Minecraft, actually, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Yo, chat, we found pink sheep in wild. This is actually crazy. This is the most rare mob in Minecraft. I've never seen IRL. Oh my god, why you kill? Come on.
No, I'm not trying to kill you. Wait, I'm gonna do this. Wait.
Yo, chat, go crazy. Chat is literally going crazy for this, not gonna lie.
Wait. Do this.
Where did it go? Where is pink sheep? Oh, it's
behind
here.
you. Move.
This is our good. This is the sign,
it.
Matti. This is a sign, right?
Hold on. Push it.
Okay. Bye. Up. Bye. Up. This is the sign. Thank you, Pink Sheep, for blessing this run. We will win Minecraft now.
Okay, we give him this. Okay, let's continue.
Oh my god, he can eat for days now. Oh my god, he will never be hungry. He has so much food. Okay, bye, Pink Sheep.
Oh.
Thank you, Pink Sheep, for giving us good luck.
Is this a cave?
I'll make torches. I have 1 stack of torches. We need all the iron we can get. Is there something here or is this like nothing burger?
I think it's nothing.
Yeah, come on, chop. There's caves over here. I think. No. maybe, I don't know. Oh, I feel like this is the one, Matti.
You've been saying it.
Don't die for the pink
What?
sheep. Yes, I try.
Yeah, let's go there. I think this looks most promising.
It looks very promising, not gonna lie. Or maybe there's something here, somewhere.
Oh yeah, wait.
Matti, another village, not gonna lie.
I low-key don't care.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because there was nothing in the other 4.
Wait, that means probably that this one is a banger village, right? Another village, also
Okay,
over there.
Okay.
Whoa, why are there so many villages? Wait, where did you go?
Because you found a seed with many villages.
I just googled best spawn seed.
Perfect. Okay,
What?
I got a cave.
Where did you go? Where are you, Matti?
In the cave?
That tells me nothing.
Bro, how do you lose me always?
Ole joined the chat. No way! Ole wants to join.
Okay, where are you?
Matti, Ole is in chat. He wants to join.
Yeah, you can join.
Ole, if you have Minecraft,
Hold
you
on.
can join. Yes.
Get your ass over here.
I'm coming. Brr. Yeah. What's up?
We have done nothing of value yet. We have to do something of value.
Chat is just spamming, let Ole join.
Yeah, Ole is more than welcome to join.
That would be a dream, actually. Okay, I'ma make also sort. That's smart play. That would be a dream. Ole, that would be a dream.
Ah!
Okay, what?
Oh.
Oh, this is a good cave,
Almost
bro.
died.
Okay. Do you have many wood on you?
Bro, hate to break it to you, but this is an ass cave.
Okay, then we don't go. I found another cave. It's okay. Come on. I just thought you had like hit a jackpot because you were so excited to not go to the like 10 villages we found.
Yeah.
Oh, hi cow. Bye cow.
Wait. I'm gonna go here. Oh, wait. Let's just find some cave. We need the iron.
Yeah, come on. Follow me. We
There's
go
not a
this
lot of
direction.
caves here.
I know this is the right one. I've got a feeling. It's the only way to do it, chat. Only way! Only way is up, chat. Only way to win. We win now. Come on. We win
is
easy.
This a cave over there?
This is probably Whack Cave.
Yeah, let's just find some. Let's just walk until we find a good cave.
We need like a deep cave. Let's see if there's something next to this village.
Yeah.
Sometimes it spawns
I think
next
this
to
is a village we already done.
Are we going backwards?
Yeah, we're going in a circle.
What the flippy? What the flop? What the floppy, man? What does that even mean? Okay, let's see though. Maybe we fight. I don't know. I'll eat more bread. Nom 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 nom. Yeah, this run is going very slow.
Why?
It's going very slow.
Yeah, that's not what I want. I want to do it fast.
I agree. I don't think we've been
We're taking too long time.
Not gonna lie. I think we've not been here.
If we are not finding a cave, then we just go strip mining.
Okay. That's also a good possibility. I think there's a cave over there. I think I see. Girl, what the flip? Uh-huh. Are you okay? Hold on. I'm okay. What happened? Ring around the roses. What the brick? You already went. What the hell?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is
this...
we just walked in the circle?
Is this not new village?
No.
Wait, was there cobwebs in your village?
Cobwebs?
Bro, this is abandoned village, Matti. Abandoned.
Ah.
There's a spider village.
Okay.
I've never seen that before. Hello, spider.
But let's
Bro,
not
what the flippy?
waste too much time. Hold on.
But the chests here are unopened, Matti.
Yeah, open them.
Yeah.
Just open the chest and let's continue.
Abandoned village. I never knew. That's so sad. They lost their rents and they lost their homes. And there are just zombies everywhere. Damn, that's so sad. Damn. This must really suck for them. Probably. Wait, new chest. Blip blop, blip blop. Wait, I already done this chest, I think. Hallelujah. Wait. They should make a song about spiders. Oh my god, we did. In one video, I swear. Okay, Matti. We need to sleep, I think. I'm sorry.
It's nighttime.
Come on, sleep.
Yeah.
Come on.
What is...
Okay, it's not yet. Okay, let's go here, Matti. Over there. This is where the caves are. I found it. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, man.
Where?
You just follow whatever I do, okay? Alright?
Okay. What do you mean?
Very simple. Okay. Bye bed. See, there's a lot of stone over there.
Yeah, that does not necessarily mean.
No, maybe not, but let's see.
Yeah, these... I think this is the village we already went to there.
Where? We've not been to Stone Island before.
To your left.
Yeah, we don't need to go there. Let's go here. The Stone Land. Welcome to Stone Land, Matti. I've never been to Stone Land before.
Oh, wait, is this cave? Wait. Oh, I think I found a cave.
Oh, did you?
I think so. Wait, checking it out.
Yeah. If it's big and juicy, I will check it out. Otherwise, I don't know.
Oh yeah, it looks
It's vibrant.
fine.
You think so?
Wait.
Damn. Hallelujah.
It's going deeper. Are you coming where I am?
I think I found something crazy. No,
Bro,
I did
are
not.
we not gonna do
No,
it together?
yeah, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Please send me a hug.
Wait.
I can send you a hug through thoughts. Matti! Abandoned nether portal!
Nice.
Oh my god, yeah, I found cave over there and we got abandoned nether portal over there. Let's see if it's a good spawn. We might, honestly, maybe we can get to the nether sooner than we thought, you know?
Yeah. True. Okay, you want me to come?
Wait, have you found the cave, by the way?
Yeah, but I can just come if you want.
Yeah, I can check the nether portal and then I join you. Oh my god, bye turtle, bye. I will not kill you, because I respect you and your work on the Discord.
Okay, so I think it's
oh my god,
we need to get... Wait.
Flip, flop, flip, flop. Gold, we got a lot of gold, Oh, I got scared, jump scared. Silk touch, Matti. Shovel, silk touch.
Oh. That's... yeah, I don't know what we could use it for, but...
Golden apple, clock. Clock might be useful.
Golden apple. Oh, bro, crazy ravine.
Okay, I'm coming for you. Wait, where are you?
Yeah, come right now.
I need to remember where this is, this location, because the nether portal is ready here. If we have diamond, if we get diamond pickaxe, we can come here, and then the nether portal is ready.
Okay, are you gonna come to the ravine, or should I wait for you, or should I just go?
Okay, wait, I'm coming. I'm going as fast as I can. Wait, let's get the grass block. Oh my god, we got grass block with grass on top. This is rare. Oh my god. Chat, I found rare block. Fire charge. Should I take it? I don't know. I will never remember where this was, I think, the abandoned portal.
Hold on.
Yes.
Hold on. You're taking too long.
Yeah, I'm literally running. I'm running for you. I'm coming for you. Oh, ooh. I'm running. Oh, wait, where are you? Oh, this direction.
Bro, you went too far from me.
Yeah, I think I went wrong direction accidentally. Oh, I see you. What's up, dog?
Oh, yeah. It's this direction if we want to go to the ravine.
Yeah, let's go. I have rare, Matti. I've got rare grass block.
Yeah,
you can take fire charge later. Don't worry. Chat, you have to remember where this is, because I will not. Thank you.
Why did you not give the chat coordinates?
Oh, okay, I'll give you this coordinates. What is it? 7, 6, this one. No, wait. Is it 3, 4? No, wait. 2. Oh no, I took
Okay,
screenshots.
wait,
This one?
how
No.
do I get down here?
This one? No. This one?
Mm.
This one? This one? This one?
Okay.
Where do I find coordinates? I literally pressed every button. Alright.
I don't know.
Okay, Ravine, let's go. Very good. Yeah, chat, you just remember, okay? Remember this. Tra la 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 la. Let me see. Yep, alright, let's go. Let's try this. Let's check this out. Oh wait. Not good. Alright. Nom nom nom.
Okay.
Chat, thank you for remembering.
No. Let's just do like
Avian
this.
spy. Okay, I'll remember. Okay, thank you. You will remember. Flip, flop.
Okay, let's go.
Should we mind the iron on the side here? I think so. Are you stupid, Matti?
Okay, I really don't care though because we didn't have anything of value. Hey, the water was too strong.
I can't believe it. I actually can't believe it.
It's not as stupid as walking into lava, so I don't really care.
Okay, I guess. Okay, create new world. Let's go.
I think you should not just put some crazy seed. I should normal seed. I think it's just better.
672. This is so this. Okay, I'll do hardcore.
Don't put like.
I'll put
like,
no seed down. Round 7. Let's go.
Yeah, I think that's better.
We're set
Did you have anything of value? Did you have
Um,
anything of value in this game?
No, just the villages.
Okay, then we're good. Yeah, that's not the value.
Okay, this is a good spawn. Good spawn. Good spawn. Okay, let's
Last
go.
time we had
Yeah,
5 diamonds. Bro.
Yeah, that's true.
Bro, we had 5 diamonds.
Yeah. Oh my god, my game is lagging. What the flip?
Okay, speedrun.
Wait, my game is lagging like crazy. Bro.
Yeah, that's
okay,
not
no,
good.
it's okay. It's okay.
Speedrun!
Yeah, I'm getting wood. This is speedrunning. This is the run.
Yeah, it's a run if you speedrun.
Can we have like a poll in chat? Can you do like poll if we win or lose this round? Bro, look at my gamer skills, bro. Bro, another pink sheep! I swear to God! What is happening?
Maybe it's more common than we think.
Either we're the luckiest guys alive. Chat, can someone Google how rare pink sheeps are? She followed us.
Yeah.
She wanted to be part of round number 6 and 7. I appreciate it.
Okay. 12 wood and more.
Yeah. More pink sheep luck.
Okay,
What?
you maybe start creating pickaxes.
Yes, sir. I'ma finish this tree.
I'll gather wood. Yeah.
Enderman is super important. That's true.
Yeah. But I think you cannot fight him until we get armor.
Okay. Pickaxe. Oh my god, I only got one. Okay. Oh. Look at my gamer skills, bro. I'm so good at crafting.
How much wood do you have?
16. I've made pickaxe for you.
Perfect. And sword maybe.
Sword maybe, yes.
Yeah.
I'll maybe do stone pickaxe for you actually.
Yeah, stone pickaxe.
Yeah, I made wood pickaxe for you. I was stupid. Okay,
yeah,
get some wood real quick. We need lots of wood. Come on.
Yeah, I'm getting wood. I have 30.
Okay. Very good.
Okay. There's coal over there. We need food.
Yeah. Find food. Yeah, we need probably village for that.
No.
Okay.
We just need animals.
Animals, okay. Kill the
I think
goddamn
that's
animals.
the main priority. Do you have stone swords too?
Oh, I can make.
Yeah, create 2 stone swords and let's just go slaughtering all the animals.
Slaughter all animals. I like this idea, Matti. You're smart. I like it.
Then we have a cave here. Okay, perfect.
Okay, very good. Come on, lock in, lock in, lock in. This is the round, this is the round. I got a feeling, I got a feeling. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna see if I find animals. Here is sword, Matti, here is sword.
What?
Here, and pickaxe for you.
Where is it? Perfect. Nice.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue. Let's find all the animals.
Yeah, yeah, and take all the coal you can. We need torches to survive from the mobs.
Yeah.
There's a lot of coal
This is
here.
emerald. It's emerald here. What?
I don't think we need emeralds. Bro, emeralds are useless, chat, not gonna lie.
Oh, I need silver pickaxe for that.
Okay, very good, very good.
There's sheep there and pig there.
We had a pink sheep at spawn again, for good luck, you know, we're so back.
Yeah, you should slaughter it.
No, not the pink one. I don't even know where it is now.
It has meat. It has meat. We all need all food. We need all food.
Is there something over there? Am I tripping? I think I'm tripping. Okay, we at least got infinite sources for coal. I think that's good.
Yeah.
We got so much coal. Is there Vibe Gang who lives in Iceland or just translator Elma? Chat, is someone from Iceland here? I don't know. Blip. Plop.
Perfect.
Blip. Plop. We're getting all the coal this round, chat. We're getting all the goddamn coal.
Yeah, I feel better about this run.
Me too.
It's going a lot smoother.
I think so too.
Yeah, other one was a slow burner.
Yeah, and we died after like, yeah, it was pointless. I agree.
Yeah.
Agreed.
It was 30 minutes of nothing.
Hey, bye Brett here. What's up? Coal is more torches. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And then we also need wood for the torches. I forgot that.
Animals.
Animals and coal. I think that's all you need for a perfect run in Minecraft. Oh,
yeah.
Sorry, that was embarrassing. I'll take this coal, thank you. And I'll take this coal also, thank you very much. And this one and blop. Okay, nice. More coal. Alright, bro, we're so stacked on coal. I feel like I'm in the coal mines. So we back in the coal mines. And come to London to see you. Hell yeah. Yeah, we tickets are available for the London show. We're gonna play Wipeout. If you live in that area or are crazy and feel willing to travel, come see us. Brr. Brr. And brr.
Do you have any food?
Are there few of us Icelanders here, chat? Hell yeah. Big ups Icelanders. I'm killing as many food as I can.
Yeah, perfect.
And then I think I'll do... Actually, I think I will do an axe so I can get as much wood as I can also.
I have 37.
Okay, that's good also.
Oak planks.
I'm just gonna get some wood so we can lock into the mines. Get the diamonds, get to Nether, win video game, okay?
Yeah.
Oof. Come on. Yeah, September's gonna be lit, chat. Oh my god.
Rabbit.
Hell yeah. Okay, wait. The UK loves Vibe. Vibe loves UK, chat. You know this. Chat, you know this. Basic knowledge. Come on. I only want this type of wood. I don't like the other ones. Blip blop. Oh, we're so back. Hello sheep, you die. You die! Thank you. Thank you for your service. Did very good. Your job here was to die, and you did very good. So I appreciate it.
Yeah, we have to cook the food. There's
Oh my god,
it's more
Cole.
value.
Thank you, Cole. What's up? Yeah, cook the food.
Call from Albania.
Oh my god, Cole! Bro, I got so much coal you don't even know. Hey, peace out, Lisa.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Can you sing a song? On stream, chat. Come on.
Nice.
I don't know.
Too much
But
pressure.
Too much pressure.
Where are you exactly?
I gave you candy in London. Hey, hell yeah. Yeah, that was very good.
Yeah.
Brr. Oh my god, I'm getting so much coal. You don't even know. When is Q&A? On Monday. Monday. On Discord.
Okay, okay. I'm here.
Okay, I don't think we ever need more coal in this run. If I see more coal, I will not mine. I got too much. Sometimes you get too much of the good stuff, you know?
Yeah, then we don't need more, I think.
I don't think so. I'll do a little bit of this, 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 a little bit of this. Bang. Alright.
Okay. Where are you?
I'm coming for you. I'm going where you are. Okay. Oh, hello, pig. You die. Bye. Die. Thank you. Coal song? It's always like that. We just say something and then I say like mushroom and then chat be like, oh my god, mushroom song leaked.
Okay, where are you exactly?
By the way, hold on, forgot to say, but did you know that Karja commented on one of your videos? I did not know. What video was
That's
that?
Cool.
Brr.
Hold on, where are you?
I am going to eat.
Yeah, I think we're ready to go to mines.
Yeah.
Mine.
Do you have sheep blocks? Can you make bed?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I can do bed, but only one.
Okay, no? Yeah, I can do one also.
Yeah. Okay. Let's sleep where we are right now, so we skip them up so we don't die. And then we meet up in the morning.
Yeah, come to the cave that I'm in.
Yeah, I'm sleeping right now, and I'll come to the cave in the morning.
Bed. Craft bed.
Justice for Ole. Yeah, Ole, what the hell? Do you have Minecraft? Join the server, bro.
Is Ole in the chat? Is Ole still in the chat?
Ole's in the chat, bro.
Hey, Ole, we need TikTok for today. Can you post the videos we recorded yesterday? If you're feeling crazy.
Go to work!
Go to work, Ole. Stop this nonsense. Trying to join us in Minecraft. You should be working.
How's my vibe?
Okay, come to...
Oh my god, they're doing amazing.
Come to me, hold on.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh my god, I see your name tag. Hello, horse. Nice to see you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Oh my god, tiny horse. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I kiss. Oh my god, this is scary. I don't think I have enough food, bro.
No, I'm cooking food.
You're cooking. Matti's cooking, no worry. Poor Ole. Yeah, poor Ole. Are you down here?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this is a beautiful cave, not gonna lie. I'll make some torches.
Oh, you're not in the same place as me.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you went down. I'm up.
Oh, maybe I should go up then, right?
You choose. You can start mining though.
Okay, I go down.
If you're crazy.
Whoop. I found diamond! I'm not kidding! What the hell? How do I find diamond before I find iron? What is this? Oh my god! Skeleton! I'm so dead, bro.
No,
Okay.
no, hide.
No, I'm going up.
You found diamond?
Yeah, I found diamond. I'm not kidding.
No way.
Okay, I need to hide.
Yeah, just hide somewhere. Eat what you have.
I found iron. Okay, do I have anything to hide? Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm literally scared, chat. Okay, I think we should be good.
Do you have full health?
No.
Oh, bro.
I'm eating just the raw food I have.
Yeah, do that.
And I think I will finish every single food I have, not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's fine.
But at least I found iron. I can make shield now.
And you found diamonds, that's...
Yeah, I found diamond, but I don't have iron pickaxe, you know.
Yeah, take the iron, smash it, be it.
Yeah. I think shield is more important than... Or wait. Okay. Oh my god, I don't have any... God damn it. I need cobblestone. I don't have cobblestone. Wait, there's cobblestone generator here,
Bro.
I think.
There's cobblestone all around you.
No,
You're in
like,
a cave.
I'm that deep, you know. I'm that deep in the cave that there is no cobblestone. There's like
What?
others, you know. Don't die in lava. I'll try.
Bro,
There's lava everywhere. It's gonna
I'm
be
just
hard.
chilling cooking food, and you're deep in the caves.
Yes. Wait. I'll come up actually. Oh, the skeleton might actually kill me though. Wait, do I have any other food? I got this. I'll eat this. Nom. Thank you. Nom. I asked
just
for
getting
home
geared
sleep
up
tour
and
because I got
geared.
held on to 50 cents. That's true. I owe you. Oh, there's another diamond, Matti! Bro,
Okay,
there's so many diamonds here.
Pickaxe. Get a pickaxe.
Yeah. I don't have
What are you going
cobblestone.
on about?
I don't have enough cobblestone though. Wait, there's
Why
cobblestone
don't you
here.
have cobblestone?
Okay.
You're in cave. You need cobblestone.
You wouldn't understand, I think.
No, I don't think so.
7, 8. Okay. If some mobs come here, I'm literally dead, you know.
Yeah, don't die. No matter what.
I'll try.
Have attack. It's also have attack.
This and this. Oh my god, I'm scared, bro.
Okay, I'm coming down now.
Infinite cobblestone generator. You have enough food for the both of us, or what?
Yeah, I think so.
Very good.
I'll create some torches.
If you go down the waterfall, you will see one diamond over there, and I see another diamond here in the water. So I'll grab that right now. I'll have to make this. Okay, I got iron pickaxe. I have too many pickaxes, bro. Okay.
You got iron pickaxe?
Yes, sir, baby.
Nice.
Come
nice.
on. Oh, baby! One diamond, and then there's another one. Oh, we're so good. But we need to actually focus on iron though, because we need the armor and stuff.
Yeah.
Unless we go
iron.
like full diamond armor first.
I have a copper armor on me.
Okay, there is one more diamond over there. Copper armor, is that good armor?
Yeah, it's like leather, I think.
Okay, nice. I got nothing, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, Matti, you see the diamond over there?
Where? I don't see no diamond. Be careful, there's a creeper there.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, diamond here. Okay. Why don't you take the diamond?
I don't have blocks. Oh, actually I have wood. I'll just... But I kinda don't want to waste the wood, you know. But, okay.
Yeah, use the wood. I have wood.
Okay. Ah! Ooh, scary. Okay. If Skelly attacks me again right now, I will be so sad. Oh my god, there's lots of diamonds, I think. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Matti, we got
Nice.
5 diamonds, 5 diamonds.
Okay,
But no
do
iron.
not die. Do not die, do not die.
Okay, we need iron, bro. I
Yeah,
think
we
we're
need...
too
yeah.
deep for iron. I have no armor, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, come down, I'll come down.
Yeah.
Come down. Okay, I'm gonna make a shield with the last iron piece.
Yeah, that's value.
Yeah, bro, I'm nothing without a shield. Nothing. Bang. See how quick I make stuff, chat. Here's zombie, I'm tripping. You think so? Was this risky, chat? I think it was worth it, not gonna lie.
Where is iron?
Bro, how do we find more diamonds than iron? That makes no sense. Let me see.
Iron there? Okay, I see iron.
Okay, Matti, should we go deeper in this cave? Or... yeah, I think this is it.
Let's start by finding... it's a good cave. Let's start by finding diamond.
Yeah. I'll feed the white boo-boos, no worries. Ah! Matti! Are you telling me you died?
Okay,
Oh my
wait.
God.
Okay, wait.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
wait.
Yeah.
Wait, okay,
You
wait.
died.
What
Great.
happens if I join again? Wait,
Hey,
wait.
You died, bro. I can't believe it.
Wait. Let's continue with this run. Wait, can you not just let me join again?
Bro, that's not the point of hardcore, bro. Oh, that was such a good run. What happened? You got killed by creeper.
Yeah, I was just mining the thing.
Oh my god, Matti.
And it was creeper that came.
I can't believe it! Damn.
Bro, should we use the same seed?
No, I don't think. I think it doesn't really matter, not gonna lie.
Oh, what? There's creeper here. Oh my god. Bro.
I mean, practice
Okay,
makes
we're
perfect.
1 hour.
Practice makes perfect.
We're 1 hour.
Around 8.
Oh!
Chat, we're over the
Okay.
6-7. Come on.
No, let's just do 6-7, number 3.
6-7 number 3. Oh, I already named it 8. Alright, 9 will be 6-7. If
Oh.
okay, well, let's see.
Just continue. Okay. Hey guys, it's not always dance on the roses, you know, playing Minecraft.
Invite Ole if you want to win. Yeah, Ole! Give us username or something. Give me something to work with here.
Minecraft.
Okay, interesting spawn. We spawned in some jungle area, I think. Oh my god, it's still loading in the chunks. It's kind of lagging. Okay,
are you still loading? I'm in.
Yeah. Oh my god, there is nether portal over there, Matti. Nether portal over there. There's chest probably.
Nice. Okay, perfect. I'm getting some wood.
Wait, Ole is calling. Sup, dog? Sendu mér username þitt. Það er Ólafur Jóhann 830. Okay, chat. I need to add Ole into this.
Can Ole not add you?
Friends of friends. Discord. Matti, can you invite Ole on Discord?
I don't know how Discord works.
Bro, this is a crazy run. Matti, I think the nether portal is ready, not gonna lie. Over there.
Can you invite Ole?
Yeah. I have to add him on
in
friends.
Discord. I don't know how to use Discord.
Chat wants
so bad at
Ole,
Discord,
so I will give you Ole, alright? I have to save, Matti. I have to quit.
Why?
So I can add Ole as friend in Minecraft world. So I do this, I do social, and I do search for player. What's it? Ole Johan 830 at bang. You have to accept this. Chat, it's working. Okay, you want Ole? I give Ole. He can help us maybe win. We'll see.
Yeah, I see
Fara
Oli here.
Press social.
Open the word.
Matti, how does it work on PlayStation? With the social?
What?
Accept friends.
Yeah, you have to join. You have to. What? Hold on. Join the word, then Oli can join if you allow friends of friends.
Ah, are you friends, Matti? You and Oli?
Yeah, I see him here. I see him here in the socials.
Okay, nice. So friends of friends.
Yeah, allow that.
Alright. Then it should work. I'll add you on the
Yeah.
Discord call also. Wait, then Mattis cam might be cooked, but we'll see. Olaf
Yeah, I can turn off the cam.
Ólafur Jóhann. Okay, wait, I have to add you as...
Oliver, yeah, Oli is in the word.
Okay, wait. I'm cooking chat, no worries. You wanted this. I'll give you what you want. I have to friends, add friend. What's it? Ólafur Jóhann. Send friend request. Ha. Ok, ég er búinn að setja. Yes, sir. Yeah, chat, it's working. Okay, nice. I add you, Matti, you have to join the new Discord.
Ah, okay.
Alright. Bangarino. Alright, now it's working.
Okay.
Matti, try putting your cam on. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. Yeah, it works.
But Oli is turning his on right now.
Yeah, I think it's okay though. Wait. I think...
Heyrist í mér?
Yes,
Yeah.
they hear you.
Can you show Oli on screen?
I'll have to make a new scene for that. Okay, wait, let me cook.
Yeah. Oli, just start gathering food and stuff.
Am I in the same world as you guys?
Yes.
Yep.
Shit.
Okay, I found nether portal, guys. Oh my god, sorry. I got something in my throat. We have a good spawn here for nether portal. Oh my god. Wait,
I've never played hardcore Minecraft before, so that's very fun.
Yeah, just
If you die, you die.
if you die in Minecraft, you die in
Okay,
real
so-
life, okay?
Okay, so don't die, basically.
That's number one rule. Sorry, oh my god, I
That's
got
It's our 8th go right
sorry,
now.
chat. Thank you. Oh my god, Matti! The nether portal is
Yeah.
ready. The nether portal is ready.
Perfect.
This is a good run.
No, the nether part is not ready.
No, there is obsidian here in the chest.
Ah, okay, perfect.
And wait, so I literally need to just put this one, right?
Yeah, wait. I'm breaking
Should I
it.
place it already? Bro, we're
No.
getting into... Oh my god. Sorry, I got something crazy in my throat.
What is this? This is not obsidian, right?
I think it's okay if I think it works with the portal. Should I try to make... Wait, they gave us the ingredients for flint and steel. This is actually fire!
Oh,
We might be going
Hello.
to Nether right now. Remove crying obsidian. Okay.
I don't even have a pickaxe.
Yeah. Just get the.
We're not going to nether right now. Hold on.
No. But we have it now ready. So when we have,
Yeah.
so we pretty much like only need iron and good loot. You know, we don't even need diamonds pretty much.
I think we should just get an iron pickaxe and take this nether portal with us, so we can just have it and be ready to place it when we need to.
Okay, that's true.
That sounds like a very good idea.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, chat. That's what I'm saying.
Here's pick. Oh, guys, gather food.
I'm just trying to gather wood.
Gather wood or gather food. That's all you need. Oh wait.
Oh, nice melons.
This is gonna be the run,
Melon.
chat. I got a feeling, chat. Can I get some W's in chat? You wanted Oli, you got Oli.
Yeah, we have 1 hour to beat Minecraft, guys.
Efficiency. Yo!
Is that possible?
Matti.
Yes.
Oli, look at me. Look down. Oli, look down. Check this.
That's so cool.
I know. Brrrr. Oh, I destroyed the pickaxe. No, with the shovel, but it was worth it. It was so fun. I got
Bro,
so
why
many
did you
dirt now.
destroy it?
Yeah, chat is going crazy. W Oli, let's go.
Where are we gonna build our beautiful house?
Oh, we're not gonna build a house, Oli.
Bro, do you not know how hardcore works?
No.
Our only plan is we're gonna beat the Ender Dragon. We don't care about houses, bro.
Okay.
We're just gonna get into the mines, get good stuff, get into the Nether, get blaze rods, get Ender pearls, go to End, win Ender Dragon, and go to sleep.
Sounds like a good plan.
I know, Oli, I know. That's what I'm saying, bro. Unbreaking, let's go. Alright.
Okay, hold on, you're wasting time running around.
Yeah, that's true.
I have to leave in 1 hour, so...
Yeah, we need to lock in.
Yeah.
I get what you mean.
Okay,
Just gonna follow you guys.
yeah.
I'm making a pickaxe so we can start getting good stuff. Wait.
Yeah.
There was a cave over there, right?
I don't know. Maybe there was. Blip.
I think there was a cave.
Flop.
Cave.
Minecraft rulebook. Never dig straight down. Alright.
I think there was a cave where we started.
Yeah, let's go there. Brr. I have enough for 2 pickaxes. I think.
Yeah, hello to chat. Georg.
Okay, you
Hi,
can
Georg.
get it.
I wish I had also my cat to show you.
I wish
No, Georg wants to leave. Oh.
Damn. Chat is going W Georg, by the way.
Yeah, do you have stone pickaxe for me, maybe?
Here you go.
Ah, thank you, sir. And stone sword, I need that.
I don't have enough stone.
Okay.
Sorry.
We need... Hey, bro.
That was accident. I was trying to mine.
We need more food.
There's watermelons, I think, everywhere. I think.
Yeah, let's go gather
Wait,
food.
Ole, where
and
did you
let's
go?
just-
I'm going to the spawn.
Okay.
I think I saw a cave there.
Yeah, I'll follow you. I follow you, be waters.
There's something here, at least. Not big. There's a small cave here.
Glister melon slice. Why can I not eat this? What the hell? Bro, I got watermelon, but I cannot eat. It's glitching. Brr.
Oh, they
Sorry.
changed it, so you have to do watermelon cake.
What the flippy?
No, I'm kidding. I'm just lying.
Oh. Wait, Ole is where?
Right
Oh
here.
my god! Crazy
Right.
cave, not gonna lie. Okay, we got iron, we got coal, we got everything we need. Okay, lock in, boys.
We need to make a bed, right?
Very smart, Ole,
Not like
very
a
smart.
must. If we got a good cave already, then I think we should not be focusing on bed.
Okay, we need to just focus win, right?
Wow.
Win, right?
Red
Eat
pigs,
that
that's so
pizzeria.
cool.
Let's go, chat. Let's go. Alright.
Is red pig something weird?
No,
No,
it's
apparently
new.
it's just very normal now. Welcome to the new Minecraft. It's not like it used to be in 2016.
Oh,
Alright.
flip flop. It's nighttime, and I'm above world.
Should we make a
I don't-
bed or something?
I don't think we have anything for that, right?
I'm gonna be dead if I don't
I
come
have
to you.
I have 5 wools.
That's enough for...
1.5. I have 4, so we can make beds.
Okay, come to the cave. Come on.
Okay.
Guys,
Come on.
guys, it's nighttime. Where are you?
Hold on, come on.
Oh yeah, come on. Okay, sorry. I got distracted. I found one
Guys,
Near
iron.
this,
Chat, one
we
iron.
are
Guys.
near the spawn.
Okay, I'm here. Okay. Let's go. Let's craft very quickly. Ole, you create beds.
Ah,
I need wool then.
brr.
Clear beds. No.
Mob sniped this guy.
I need one more.
Oh, bro, hold on. Do you have any wool?
No wool.
There's
Okay,
a
then we're
lot of
cooked.
zombies right here and I don't have any weapons.
Don't die. Don't die. Guys, come.
Into
Take the
cave,
beds,
right?
take the beds.
No.
Into cave. Go,
Watch
Ole,
out!
Ole,
Zombie
Ole,
behind!
Ole.
Zombie behind! Matti! Zombie attack! Oh my god, this is stupid.
Guys, just come here. Come here.
You're dead.
Come here.
Matti.
No? Me?
Matti. Yes, you're dead.
Am I dead? How?
Matti, are you dead?
Matti is dead.
Did I die?
I just got on screen, Matti died.
What? No. In my game, I was just walking, then I just duck.
In my game, you were literally standing and zombie was attacking you.
Oh my god, the LAN cable went out.
Bro, internet.
Oh my God.
Bro, did we die because of the goddamn internet?
Yep.
Ole, do you know what this means?
Reset.
Need to start the reset.
If someone dies, we need to reset. This is why this is the hardest Minecraft challenge.
Okay, I leave the game.
We are gonna play every day until we beat this, bro.
Am I on camera, by the way?
No. I can figure out how to do it though. But wait, give me a...
You can put Ole, wait. Show people Ole. Hello, Ole.
No, ætla að leita Gilberti.
No, Matti, it doesn't work like that. I am the stream master. I can show you how
Okay,
it works.
hold on. Just start the next one. We have 45 minutes.
Round 9.
We have
I
45
forgot to
minutes,
do.
then.
I forgot to do hardcore. Wait, sorry.
Okay, then just create a new one.
Yeah, chat. Sorry. Sorry about that one. My mistake. Oh boy. Classic big vibe mistake. I know. I'm sorry.
Okay, let's go.
I'm sorry. Wait, don't join. Oh my god, crazy spawn though, right? No. Yeah, this is not hardcore.
Round 9.
It's not hardcore.
Yeah, this
Wait,
is
it's not hardcore.
This is just normal.
Two settings. Just go
Oh, I
to
can
settings.
change it. Nice.
You want me to join this? Okay, I'll join this.
Wait, chat. I'm
Can you change it, hold on?
I'm gonna figure it out. Wait. I cannot do hardcore though.
Okay, leave.
Okay. Leave.
Leave. Hvað segir þið? Veit það ekki.
Okay, let him cook. Chat, I'm cooking so bad, bro. I'm cooking so bad. Hardcore. Round 9. Let's go. This is the round. I got a feeling.
Matti, ertu á Osmónum?
Nei?
Þetta svo mikið eitthvað að trakka þig?
Ja, þetta bara símanum.
It's tracking you, I mean.
Yeah,
look at Matti's face is getting tracked. Pink sheep has got to be bad luck now. Yeah, that's true. Pink sheep equals bad luck. Okay, come on, join, boys. I'll start mining for wood.
Okay. We've gotten
I'm lagging
5
so bad.
diamonds 2 times. Now we've done 2 rounds with 5 diamonds.
Diamond toe, homie, ég á alltaf nóg. Demundum í eitthvað diamond blocks fyrir gól, nokkra neður portala, kemstum alltaf ljósa það. Hittum í end og þú myndi ekki lifa af.
We were not organized in the last round, so I think that was the issue.
Okay, that's true. Yeah, because we didn't get bed before nighttime.
Yeah, we only had 2.5 bed.
And we needed 3 beds.
Sorry, bees,
That's
I'm
the trick
destroying
now.
your house.
So guys, we need 3 beds. That's like the main point now.
Ole, are you playing with controller?
Oh, damn.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you also playing with controller?
No, I connected
Thank you,
mouse and
chat.
keyboard to my PlayStation.
Oh, you're very cool. I can see. I'm not that cool.
Okay, I'm
No,
making
no,
crafting
no.
table. Making... See, I'm doing like dream speedrun here, bro. Boom, making this. Boom, boom, boom. Get some stones in. Get those stones in. 1. I'm gonna make pickaxe for all of you guys. 3. I need 9 of this.
Oh, chickens.
Hala.
Bucket.
Yeah, you have to kill every animal you see, Ole.
Okay, I have not done that yet. I've only killed 1
You have to
cow.
kill the animals! Kill them! Kill them!
Where is
You
the
will
crafting table?
starve.
I can see you now.
I have it here. Okay, everybody get pickaxe. This one's for you. Matti, your pickaxe is for you right here. Take it. Okay, you're not here. I'll take it. I'll keep it safe for you.
Yeah, I'm gathering food.
I'm gonna search for sheeps.
Ah,
Yeah.
I found the ravine. Ravine, guys. And
Okay.
village.
Okay, very good.
That's infinite food source.
Infinite food source, very good.
Okay, now I'm just trying to see where Matti is.
I'm getting some stones
Yeah,
in.
follow me, guys.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah.
I'm getting stones in, chat.
That means
Coming up.
bats.
Really?
Okay, I'll take this. Actually, I'll make this one here real quick. Bling, blong,
I see Matti now.
bling,
Whoa, there's a
blong.
big cave right here.
Yeah, it's a ravine.
Anything else? Sort, yeah. I need sort. Boom.
Is a ravine another word for cave?
No, it's like when there is like a hole in the word, you know, like big gap, you know. That's the ravine.
I'm learning.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah,
And this is
I
going
haven't
to
played-
better. Yes, I know.
I barely played Minecraft since like 2016 or 17 or something.
Oh damn! Then you're in for a ride.
I am so happy.
Are you inside? Are you inside the cave,
it's a-
boys?
It's an abandoned village.
I'm coming to the village.
Yeah, come here. It's like we saw earlier, abandoned village.
I'm getting this in.
So gather all the food and everything.
Yeah, you're this direction. Okay.
Matti, I'm swimming over to you.
Yeah, come join me in the village.
Hi, sheep.
What the
Bye,
hell?
sheep. You die. Bye.
What the hell is that?
First time seeing Vibe live. Lol. Welcome to live stream. We're playing Minecraft. We're trying to beat
Matti,
it.
do you also see the big thingy behind the
Yeah,
village?
this guy. Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Hello, horse. Oh, hello, tiny horse. Mwah, mwah.
Nice. Got that.
Flip.
Steal everything, Ole.
Okay, I just came here. I think Silla is watching the stream.
Nice.
Yeah, she will get
Shout out.
she gets shout out here.
I think she heard me and now she's turned it off.
Yeah, what's your guys' favorite
Ah.
track from the album? What is your favorite? Tell me. I need to know.
I'm gonna close the door, so. I'm killing
Okay,
every
let's
animal. Is that good?
They're very good, Oli.
Yes.
Doing good. Doing
That's
just like
exactly
you
what
should
it
do.
is to do.
Oh, here's a chest.
Post.
I have bread and I have
Howdy,
hands.
ma'am. How do you do? My name is Martin. I'm just passing through.
Ole, you should steal the bats.
Oh, that's
My
a good
name is
idea.
Haldon. Pizzeria.
What the
there.
hell?
I have one
Frametta.
bat. Everyone gets one bat.
Frametta,
I'm dying.
Frametta.
No, Ole, don't die.
Bro,
Someone is trying to kill me.
yeah, just
Well,
go.
I'll come save you. Where are you?
In the house over there.
Ole, you were
With the
supposed to
spider.
save this, not destroy this, okay? Apple, I eat.
Okay, guys. I think we have materials for days now.
Okay, hey Bells.
Okay, I killed zombie.
Very well done.
Yeah, don't mess with the zombie.
Oh, I killed him.
Very good.
Oh damn, well done.
I'll take this.
Okay.
I got a yellow bed. Hold on, you need the bed?
Yes, please.
Okay,
I got it.
nice. Okay, I have one bed, so we are good.
Okay,
Okay, we're good with food stores. I have so much hay, so we
Very
can
good.
create a lot of bread.
I'm
Very good,
getting
very
a lot of potatoes. Is that
Very
Yeah,
good?
nice. Yeah, that's very good.
very good. Very good.
I got
Okay, I
like
think we're
100 potatoes.
nice.
Very good.
They don't do a lot. We have to cook them.
Yeah,
Postman,
I was
someone
gonna
else.
say, don't we need to cook?
Interesting. You have lots of different songs. I like that.
Okay, let's go to cave. Oh, nether portal.
Yeah, nice.
I say we should just camp here.
Where?
Yeah, we're not gonna camp, Ole.
Like, this is our home point.
Yeah, if we need a home, then this
Hold on.
is our home.
That's true.
Hold
That's
on,
true.
pet.
Pet. Yeah, give me pet. Drop it over, dog. Drop it over.
Unbreaking
Wait.
hoe.
I'm trying to figure it out. Take Bro. Did you get it?
I have
No,
flint.
I got it. Sorry.
Oh, guys, I have everything for flint and steel.
Thank
I
you.
need to create flint and steel.
Yeah, create flint and steel.
Right, I'm gonna make a furnace so we can cook.
Smart play, smart play.
Should we go to the mines?
Yeah, we go to mines, I think.
I think so.
Yeah, we need to get everything in.
Yeah, we
Everything in,
we
bro.
need coal, yeah. We need coal.
Everything needs...
I'm
We
trying
need
to bake
everything.
some food for my friends.
I have 92 bread.
That's a lot of bread, not gonna lie. And I got 1 cow. I'm gonna kill! I kill you, cow! You die! Tragic, death.
I got a bundle. That's something new. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, bundle is cool. It's like a backpack. Bye bye.
Okay, I'm gonna create flint and steel right now.
Okay,
Boom.
very good.
Howdy, man. How do you do? My name is Martin, just passing through.
In Iceland it's 5 degrees, practically sunny. It's very good weather, actually.
Guys, where are you?
Killing, slaughtering animals.
We don't need more food. We have
Okay.
enough food.
Perfect.
We just have to get going into the caves.
Yeah,
Alright.
it's very close to nighttime.
Yeah, let's just go to caves. Hide there.
Agreed. We can sleep in the caves if we need.
I'm
Alright,
just gonna
Hey.
follow.
Can you give me pickaxe and
Yes.
stuff?
here you go.
Where else is the cave we're gonna go to?
Yeah, that's the thing, we probably don't know.
Yeah, let's find the cave.
Can we get Matti's screen soon? This is Haldan's, isn't it? Yeah, this is my screen, my pod. It's because
Yeah, Haldan doesn't want to show my pub. you
no,
know.
it's because I'm streaming it, you know, and it's.
I had that option for you yesterday. You didn't want to put it on.
I mean, then we have to like live stream your live stream, you know. And
Yeah, that's
that would be like
perfect.
double delay, you know.
no.
Wait. Yeah, let's go this direction just. Ole, come on, follow. Where's Ole?
Yeah, let's go here.
Oh, he's here. Brr. Yeah, crazy mountains, not gonna lie. Stupid mountain, bro. Stupid mountain. This is physics, chat. Physics. Basic physics.
Did you not go to school or something?
School. Yeah,
I was talking to
I
the
school.
chat.
Bro, I'm school. You know me,
We have
chat.
enough beds, right?
Hi from Sweden. Hi, Sweden.
Yes,
Yeah,
I have 2 beds on me.
I think I have one. Yeah, I have one.
Perfecto. Yeah, this is
Okay,
all
it's-
right run so far.
Yeah, we have flint and steel. We have a broken nether portal, but we have lost it now, probably.
No, it's just where we came
Oh,
from.
there's another village. Do you want to waste time to do that? Nah.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I mean no. Should we go to sleep now?
Yeah, let's sleep. Before mobs
Yeah.
come and we die. Wait, where's my bed? Oh, you probably have it.
Oh, I have it.
Alright, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Vibe should get a puppy in Minecraft. Bro,
Sleeping through the
actually.
night. I'm actually
Sleeping
gonna-
through the night.
Yeah, are we? Yeah, I think we should just go to caves. Let's find
Yeah.
the cave.
Since we don't know where the caves are, let's go to where the other village is. In that direction, at least.
Yeah, I think that's this direction. I think. Am I going correct? Yeah.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Brr. I forgot
Okay,
I'm
and what
supposed
are we
to
trying to
break-
find in the caves?
Brick. We need
Oh,
iron.
there was. Yeah. There was such a good cave like earlier, like the ravine.
Yeah, we're too far. Let's lock in now.
Wait, what's this? Oh, cave.
Okay, boys, we got cave. There's not a drill, not a drill.
Oh, nice iron.
Okay. Let's get some torches going also. We need coal.
We need also to. I have like 3,000 potatoes if you want to cook them.
Okay, that's very good actually. Yeah, coal. Where's coal? I think I saw some.
I have coal. No, I don't have coal.
Okay, lots of iron. Very good, actually.
Be careful, there are mobs, hold on, there are mobs.
Yeah, I know.
Near you.
I don't think they see me.
I can do this. Ah, coal.
Okay, nice. Okay, good. Good boys.
Guys, I'm gonna put a crafting table right here. No, this is not a crafting table. This is a oak.
Very good. Okay, I'm gonna need more stones, little bit. I need to get enough stones for this one. Hey, you put crafting table. Nice.
Yes, I put crafting table, and here is one furnace.
Nice.
And here is.
Then I probably don't need on. Yeah. We need coal for the furnace.
Yeah, there's coal here, a lot of it.
Nice. I'll help you take it.
Be careful of the fire. I'm using fire as lighting now.
I don't think that's smart, honestly.
Okay.
Yeah, it's better than no light, right?
Yes, I think so. Okay, let's use one furnace for potatoes and one furnace for iron.
I have some iron to smelt, so...
Yeah, put it in this one. Also put coal in that one. I don't have any more coal. We need more coal.
I'll make more ovens.
I'm seeing if I see coal down here. I got copper. There's one coal down here. Wait. Is there more coal here? Hello, coal, I'm looking for you. Where are you? Hello. Get it. You get its run. This is the run, chat. This is the run.
I can create pickaxes.
More iron. Nice. Oh my god, there are mobs though. But iron.
I'm gonna create swords.
I have sword for me.
Oh, you have iron sword?
No.
Oh, I created one iron sword and one iron pickaxe.
We need iron shield. We need shields for everyone.
Very important. Very good. I can create shields now.
Oh. Die. Die! Zombie. Die, I say. Okay. Locking in. I got my friends to like the album. Thank you!
Ole, take this.
I need...
Hold on, take this.
Shield.
Yeah.
Hold on, take this.
Ooh.
Did you send me?
Take it. Hold on,
oh,
take
yeah,
it.
It's here. Thank you. Yeah. Ole, shields are very important.
Who took the iron that was smelted?
I did.
Not me.
I took 2.
Okay, nice. I was just gonna craft for you pickaxe, but you can create it. Here's the third one.
No, okay, nice.
Craft it yourself.
Yeah, sorry. I need
Yes,
the iron
I put
again.
some.
Matti, you took the iron. I need the iron.
Oh.
Thank you. Oh, this bread. But thank you. Oh, Ole took it. Ole!
Ole.
I took it.
Give
want
it back.
iron? What do you want back?
They're
The iron.
doing so well, I forgot that it's hardcore mode. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I need iron. Thank you.
No worries.
Okay, now we should be ready for something at least. That would be good if we could get some. If we could get. Oh, there's coal over there. I need that coal actually. Thank you.
Okay. Put useless stuff in this thing.
Okay, I need this coal here so I can do the torches, you know.
Yeah, we need more coal. Yeah.
I need the torches, dog. The torches! The torch! I'm nothing without them.
Ole, do you have a pickaxe or something? Iron.
I only have stone pickaxe.
Okay, I'll give you a pickaxe and sword.
I have a stone pickaxe and sword.
Yeah, I'll give you iron.
Wow,
Take
that's
this.
so cool.
Oh my god, more iron, let's go.
Take this.
Chat, this might be the run. Miss Finland.
Hold on, do you need iron stuff?
Do I need iron stuff?
I'm crafting it for people if
If you can do iron sword, that would be a dream, but like, no pressure.
Not a pickaxe.
I have pickaxe.
Iron pickaxe?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Then, okay, nice. Then everyone has some stuff.
Alright. This is the run for real. I think so, chat. This is the run. We're doing very good.
Nice, we have half an hour.
If we just stay careful, we should be good. Oh.
Just to say. Okay, now we got a little bit of
Hold on, take this.
a living space.
I'll do this so the water can flow again.
What do you guys like the beautiful house?
Did you have?
Love it.
Oh my god,
I
you made
love
house. You're amazing, Oli.
I love the house.
Then we can do the retreat. Wait, is there? Yeah, nice. I like when we can put like stupid stuff in chest. Because I don't need like anything here, I think.
Oh no, cat.
What?
No,
Who-
cat on
what happened?
computer.
Oh, cat on computer? What the flop? What the flop?
Yeah, Georg. No, not Georg,
No.
Gilbert.
It was Gilbert. Gilbert the cat.
Okay,
Oh.
wait.
Mob.
Yeah, Ole, you have to crouch to use the shield.
Be careful of this, hold on.
More iron.
Okay, crouch to shield.
Okay.
Good to know.
We need to get full iron armor, boys.
Yeah.
And
I'm
also we
gonna
need
join.
way more coal. More iron, nice.
Wait, how do I use the Sorry, I'm just learning.
Nice.
Make sure don't to fall down also. Then you die and then
Don't-
we lose.
Don't fall down.
Don't do
It's
that.
a big cave.
Meatball! Meatball!
Be careful, guys. Be careful. Ole, be careful.
I'm coming.
I found
Do you like
raw
chocolate?
iron. That's
Yes.
good, right?
Yeah, that's what you're looking for.
Do you have enough coal? I don't have any coal.
I don't have any.
I have one coal. I
I
can make.
don't have any.
I can make
Okay,
4
we used it all to
torches.
smelt.
I'm
It's okay.
coming
We will
for
just
you.
find more.
What is this? Is this like the Varden?
It's a beauty and
Hold
a
on, come
beast.
here, show the chat.
Oh wow. Yeah. This is a rare.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Yeah. This one here. You get XP or something from this.
The skeleton behind
Matti,
the...
we should.
There's also a creeper there. I think that's not good.
Yeah. Let's retreat.
What
Because
does it-
we don't have any armor, boys. You know. So
Yeah, true.
so
we
we
can get copper
Oh.
if we don't...
we need to be
Uh-oh.
careful. You know.
Uh-oh.
Where is... why did you not take the furniture?
I saw an
Enderman.
It's-
Enderman. It is
I think
valuable,
we
but
should not...
we will probably die. You know. But
Crouch, Ole, crouch.
crouch. Very good, boys. Very good. We're doing good.
Iron.
Is friendly fire on?
No. Yes.
Uh,
Oh.
Yes.
Creeper.
Where?
He did not survive. As long as you crouch,
he
Oli,
died.
you're good. Okay, because you have the shield. Nice.
Okay.
Don't look in the Enderman eyes. There are 2 Endermans here, though.
Oh, don't look at them.
I looked
But
at
we
them.
need the Ender Pearls, though.
Where is the oven stuff?
Upstairs.
We need it down here, I think.
Yeah, I think so too. Because we're always gonna be like expanding, you know.
I will
Yeah.
go get it.
Oh, you're gonna get it. Okay, you can go get it. Come
I
with
can
it
go
here.
get all the ovens.
Yeah, I have so much iron now. Not so much iron here.
I have 15 iron.
I have 16
Oh no, creeper.
raw iron, right? And I have 7 already smelted, so I think we could get full.
Oli, if the
Armor.
creeper is about to explode in front of you, you just crouch, okay?
Okay, and I survive.
Yeah, you survive.
Yeah. You should. Hey,
Buy your first house. I will miss you. No, this is not the house. Where is the house?
You don't remember?
Where did it go? No, I'm trying to find it. I will find it. I'm just following the torches. Ah, found it.
Bingo,
Oh, guys,
man.
it's nighttime.
hold on.
Yeah.
Be careful. Oh, wait. I'm gonna get the Enderman here.
Okay.
Move. I'm trying to lure it.
Yeah, if we have like a little hole, it works, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Move.
Guys, I'm on my way.
Hell yeah. Nice! Ender pearl.
No pearl. No pearl.
Okay, there's another one. Look into his eyes. I'm looking. Where did he go? Come on. Thank you, come again.
You have the furnace
Yes,
and some coal, maybe.
I have 1 coal.
Oh damn. Okay. We're cooked, guys.
Yeah, I think there's like
I will put
little
my
coal that
iron there.
spawns down here. There's iron here upstairs, I'll get it. At least let's make iron outfits.
Yeah, we need coal for that. We don't have any coal.
I would, we might be able to use, but like it's not as
It's
efficient.
not value.
Then
No.
we just lose our wood, you know.
Yeah.
I think. Wait,
Uh-oh.
let me see a
Almost
little.
die.
Please don't die, bro.
Yeah, I'm too hot, but I'm just trying to chill now to survive.
Okay, I'm going
Okay.
back up. I'm going back up to look for coal. Because if we're
Yeah.
actually gonna survive, we need coal to smelt the iron to win video game.
Yeah. How much wood do we have, Liga?
I got some wood. It's no worries.
Yeah, okay.
I got 54 oak planks.
Oh, that's actually value, bro. That's actually crazy value, not gonna lie. This is the run, chat. I feel it. We're going so carefully. I must see if there's any coal here we missed. Maybe here or something.
Probably in the sky, you know.
Ah! I'm actually
No,
dying.
don't die.
I'm actually dying.
No.
Um,
Hide.
Ah!
oh my god. Oh my god, no.
No.
Okay, let me spectate you
Literally
for a while. Maybe you can do something. Let me see.
Yeah, I think we don't have time for another game, though.
Oh my god. There was such a good
I
run,
have
though. God
Yep.
damn it.
Where is Matti going?
I'm here.
Oh,
Yeah, what-
you
yeah,
have
why
to
do you
leave
have
at
to
4,
leave?
right?
What? Sorry.
Oh, I saw.
it- Oh, yeah, I have to leave. I'm driving Siri.
Where is Siri going? Maybe that's too personal. Maybe you don't need to know.
No, she's going on the countryside of Iceland.
Why?
No, on the north side of Iceland.
To do what? Just chill.
No, go to a confirmation.
I see. Okay, wait. Let me
She's
see if I
confirming
find you
she's
guys.
going there. What?
Oh my god, we can hack! I can hack,
What?
boys. I am now in spectate
Huh?
mode. I can find diamonds for you.
Yeah, it's not value. We can't finish this because
Oh my god, spawner! Let's see what we get. Oh, I can't even open them.
bro, Enderman.
I'm just gonna go down. I'm just gonna say YOLO and go down.
I found diamonds! Wait.
I killed another Enderman but got no pearl.
Guys, I'm just on an adventure.
Yeah, I'm gonna suicide.
Damn.
That's not a beautiful sentence to say. Oh, dead end.
No,
Okay.
in Minecraft.
Ah.
No worries.
Wait. Let me try one hacking trick though, Mate. Before you suicide. Because I can see through
What?
walls. I'm looking at you guys.
Yeah, I really don't care if you find diamonds because we can't do anything with it, you know.
Oh. Alright then. But you're actually in a
Ole.
very bad place, not gonna lie.
Hold on. Spectators, me and Ole are gonna battle to the death.
Okay.
Hold on, find us.
What?
I'm
what?
looking
Yeah,
at you
we're
guys.
We're gonna be fighting. Wait, I'm gonna. Okay.
1v1,
Are you
Ole
ready?
versus Matti.
Are you ready for 1v1, Ole?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Okay, I think I'm ready. Wait, hey,
It's not-
hey.
Yeah.
No, Ole, wait. I was healing. I wasn't full health.
Oh, okay. I did not
Okay.
know. So I have to wait for full health now.
Bro, Ole, you crazy. I had 1 heart now. I had half life bar when you started killing me. Okay.
Ole in the
It's-
right corner. Matti in the left corner.
Wait,
Only
Ole,
one
I'm still healing. It's
survives.
taking...
Are you
I'm
ready?
healing. No, I have half.
Alright. Are you ready, I say?
No, I need 4 more hearts.
Oh my god, this guy.
No, Ole attacked me, you know.
I see. Alright. In the right corner, we have Ole. In the left corner, we have Matti. And now we do fight to death. Are you ready?
Nope, it's still healing.
Oh my god, this guy.
Half 1 heart. Wait, eating 1 heart more. Half
Do
a
you have
heart to go.
anything you want to say to the camera, Ole?
Okay, I'm ready.
I am
Let's
ready.
go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Bro!
Hey!
Bro, Matti, that's unfair. Oh my god, Ole won! Well done,
I
Ole.
won.
You are the real winner here. You win video
Ole
game.
is the winner.
Okay, now I'm just gonna see
Yeah, bro.
how...
I think you will not find anything here. I'm looking at you, bro. I think there is nothing here, not gonna lie. W Ole.
Yeah. Ole winner. Ole is the real
Yeah,
winner
you're at
today.
Bedrock now.
But I think we'll try again tomorrow to win.
Yeah, we'll try more tomorrow, round 3. Let's see if it happens.
Yeah.
Oh, rest
Maybe
in
Ole
peace.
will join us. If Ole wants to join, he can join.
I'm going to Manchester tomorrow.
Damn.
Oh, you're going to Manchester tomorrow, damn.
Hell yeah. Well, thank you
Damn.
guys for watching round 2 of Minecraft Hardcore Let's Play. We'll try again tomorrow.
Yep.
And they
Have
say
a
third
good
time's the
day.
charm. Have a good day, everybody. Peace out, everybody. Watch our new music video if you're feeling